The US and India said they had reached a framework for an interim trade agreement, ending a month long impasse between Narendra Modi's government and Donald Trump's administration. The confirmation of the agreement came days after Trump spoke to Modi and said India had agreed to stop buying Russian oil, which had prompted his administration to impose a 50% tariff on imports from India. India will open its market to imports of most US industrial goods and some food products. Indian export to the US will face an 18% reciprocal tariff according to a joint statement published by New Delhi early on Saturday that sets out more details of the agreement. India also said it intends to increase imports from the US, buying $500 billion of energy, aircraft and aircraft parts, metals, technology products and coal over the coming 5 years. The target would be roughly double India's current level of import from the US. The two sides also agreed to address non-tariff barriers affecting trade with India, vowing to remove restrictive import licensing procedures, a long-time irritant in the two countries' commercial ties. The US and India last year agreed to work towards a bilateral trade pact during a visit by Modi to Washington. But the talks stalled and both sides' positions hardened, including over India's resistance to opening its big agricultural market. The Trump administration then put a 50% tariff on India, including a 25% levy because of New Delhi's purchase of Russian oil, which the US said was helping to finance the war in Ukraine. In an executive order published late on Friday in the US, Trump said India has committed to stop directly or indirectly importing Russian Federation oil, committed to buy US energy products, and recently agreed to expand defense cooperation with the US. The president had determined to eliminate the additional ad valorem rate of duty imposed on imports from India, the order said. The order said the US would monitor whether India resumed directly or indirectly importing Russian Federation oil, and that if it found it did, would consider taking additional action, including reimposing the 25% levy. The Modi government has not given details of how it will end purchase of oil from Russia. While imports have fallen, Russia remains India's largest supplier of crude. Great news for India and USA, Modi declared in a post on X. We have agreed on a framework for an interim trade agreement between our two great nations. He thanked Trump for his personal commitment to robust ties between our countries. President Trump's deal making is unlocking one of the largest economies in the world for American workers and producers, lowering tariffs for all US industrial goods and a wide array of agricultural products. US Trade Representative Jamieson Greer said in a statement, during the trade talks, India took a hard line on protecting its politically sensitive food grain and dairy market. However, in the joint statement, India said it would remove or reduce tariffs for a wide range of US food and agricultural products, including dried distillers, grains, red sorghum for animal feed, nuts, fruits, soybean oil, wine and spirit. Piyush Goyal, Commerce Minister, said that the understanding with the US would open a 30 million ton market for Indian exporters. He said the agreement with the US would completely protect India's sensitive agricultural and dairy products, including maize, wheat, rice, soya, poultry, milk and cheese. Opposition politicians, some of whom had accused Modi of surrendering to Trump on tariff, jumped on details of the agreement with the Indian National Congress, pointing out that India's exports would face higher duties in the US than before. All the hugs and photo ops have not amounted to much. Jairam Ramesh, the party's spokesman, wrote on X, Namaste Trump has scored over Howdy Modi. Mahua Moitra, an MP with the All India Trinamool Congress, claimed that Modi makes India surrender land and called attention to Washington's assertion that it would monitor India's buying of Russian oil. The breakthrough on trade came after India and the EU concluded a trade agreement last month, the latest of a string of trade deals agreed by New Delhi in a significant opening its long protected market. The framework lays out mutual tariff concession, preferential market access, and regulatory cooperation while setting guardrails to protect domestic industries and national security interests on both sides. India and the United States have agreed on the framework for an interim agreement on reciprocal and mutually beneficial trade, making a significant step towards a full-fledged US-India bilateral trade agreement. The framework announced jointly builds on trade negotiations launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and US President Donald Trump in February 2025. The interim pact is intended as a bridge between unlocking early market access gain while negotiations continue on a broader legally binding BTA covering goods, services, supply chains and digital trade. Under the interim framework, Indian exports will for now continue to attract a reciprocal tariff of 18%. However, the United States has agreed to scrap these duties across a broad range of products once the agreement is fully concluded. In a separate move, Washington has already rolled back the additional 25% tariff earlier imposed on Indian goods over concerns related to India's purchase of Russian oil, providing relief to exporters. The framework outlines tariff cuts, easier market access and closer regulatory cooperation. It also includes safeguards to protect domestic industries and national security interests in both countries. For India, the deal aims to improve access to the US market for key import sectors. It also seeks to resolve long-standing trade issues and provide greater clarity ahead of broader BTA negotiations. Under the deal's framework, India will either scrap or cut tariffs on US industrial goods and a wide range of agricultural and food items, including animal feeds such as dried distillers, grains and red sorghum, tree nuts, fresh and processed fruit, soybean oil, wine and spirit. The move reflects India's willingness to open up selected parts of its agriculture and processed food market even as politically sensitive staple items remain outside the scope of the interim agreement. The United States has agreed to lift reciprocal tariffs on a broad set of Indian exports once the interim agreement is concluded, including generic pharmaceuticals, gems and diamond, aircraft and aircraft parts. Until then, India goods will continue to attract a reciprocal tariff of 18%, with these duties set to be withdrawn for a specified product once the agreed implementation conditions are fulfilled. Separately, Washington will also roll back national security related tariffs on Indian aircraft and aircraft parts that were imposed under earlier steel, aluminum and copper trade measures. Even as it expands market access, the framework builds in clear safeguards to protect Indian interests. No blanket opening of sensitive agricultural commodities. Tariff relief for Indian pharmaceuticals remain contingent on US national security reviews, preventing automatic exposure. Automotive exports are protected through a preferential tariff rate quota rather than full tariff elimination. India retains the right to adjust its commitment if US tariffs change, preserving negotiating leverage. The agreement also provides that rules of origin will largely confine benefit to India and US producers, reducing the scope for third country routing. Non-tariff barriers, India commit to phase reform. India has also agreed to address several long-standing concerns raised by the United States, including pricing and regulatory barriers in medical devices, import licensing procedures for ICT products, standards and conformity assessment in identified sectors. These commitments, however, are time-bound and consultative in nature. India has set aside a 6-month window after the agreement comes into force to review and assess the acceptance of US or international standards. Beyond tariff, the framework focuses on economic security and supply chain resilience, including cooperation on investment screening, export control, addressing non-market practices of third countries. India and the US have also agreed to work towards ambitious digital trade rules under the BTA. These efforts will address discriminatory or burdensome digital trade practices. India has indicated its intent to purchase $500 billion worth of US goods over 5 years, including energy products, aircraft and aircraft parts, technology products, coking coal and previous metal The two sides also plan to expand trade in advanced technology products including GPUs used in data centers. This will be accompanied by deeper technology cooperation. Both countries will move quickly to implement the framework and work towards finalizing the interim agreement. Parallel talks will continue on the broader bilateral trade agreement, with India formally seeking deeper cuts in US tariffs on its export. The interim pact is expected to deliver early gains, reduce trade uncertainty, and lay the political and economic foundation for a more comprehensive US India trade deal.